2001 MCI coach. This is the door. There's the striker. You can see the plastic all broken off of it. There's the latch. Here's the striker. And it's has a little bit of movement in it. But it's not really that tough. And you can see it's a two-step. That's first. That gets it both. So a review of how the latch works on the bus. So this is the latch. It's in the unlatched position. This is hooked to the lock mechanism. So it's going to try and lock, but it won't work now because it's this right here is this piece right here is hooked to the inside door handle, and the outside door handle pushes against this. So let's review how it works in the unlock. Click, click, and double lock that. And then if we're going to release it from the inside, that pushes on this guy right up here. And it goes like that and releases. So that's how the inside one releases. That's the outside handle. The inside handle, it pulls on this guy right here. And on that same mechanism there, and it releases just like that. You lock it when it's latched, so you got the door closed, both clicks. Okay, and when you're going to lock it, you can see this little thing comes over. So there's two ways you can do it. You can either push down on this one, and you can see when it pushes down on that one, it engages, prevents this from moving so that this can no longer release it. And it also moves this little lever up to prevent this, which is the inside handle, from releasing. And then to release it, you rotate like that. So there's locked, there's unlocked. Now the trick is